man himself.
Silly goofball. Preposterous silliness even.
He pointed so. This is Ethan. Say hi, silly goose. He's mad because we're moving. What's up, Ethan?
What's up?
Hi.
Put the car on park. Jesus Christ. Open the damn door. There you go.
It's your fault.
Oh, you're on the other side.
Dum dum.
You're an ass. I'm gonna die due to the car before the tornado kills me.
Say hello to the audience.
Hi, audience.
Anything that you have to say to them about the chase before we start?
Oh, we're going to die.
There she is, woman of the hour.
Love to be here.
Okay. What do you have to say to the people
Which people?
of YouTube?
People at YouTube?
The people of YouTube, yes.
Y'all awesome.
You're so cringe.
Shut up! It's not cringe. It's being respectful towards them. They're amazing people in an amazing community, except for whenever they're not amazing.
Okay, so what are your hopes for this storm chase?
Hopefully get some good tornado action. At least staying safe if we need to help anybody that might be in any sort of danger or like trapped in any sort of debris if we can to help them. But other than that, just hoping that we see some nice good at the very least.
You're so cringe.
Shut up!
And Ashley said she hopes to be safe. Considering the chasing environment, there's no shot. Oh my god.
Bad acting.
Kill yourself.
What's up?
People.
We're about to go to Canton. It's looking amazing.
Bad character acting.
Anyway, the environment is a lot better than what all the models were predicting at first throughout earlier in the week.
Way
so
better.
I'm pretty excited about this. I'm really hoping we're going to see something.
It definitely looks better, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
by a long shot.
Yeah,
So
the storm mode is moving slower, so that means that there will be more time to chase, and it doesn't congeal into a line until about, what, 6Z on the model? 7Z?
Around that, yeah. Like, it doesn't start.
Oh, they're
starting to fire up.
One eternity later.
How bad are the models?
I mean, I don't know. Her still seems like he wants to keep strong with the idea that things are going to happen, but as for right now, it's not fun.
I mean, this is just a big ass.
It's just weird that models will be so wrong on day one, like on the day of initiation.
And that's
National Weather Service, everything is wrong.
I'm gonna get the actual NWS
Dallas.
Well,
So we've had some slight positive news. There's some initiation in Waco, and there's a tornado warning down there, but it's really only kind of showing signs of circulation. But nothing on the ground yet. But it's good news considering, like, what, 10 minutes before
we were freaking out, you
where we
specifically.
were freaking out, and it was like not looking good whatsoever.
What do you think, William?
I think the supercells need to form to the south of us so they come up and they go over us.
Can I just say that you're looking mighty sexy?
I think they need to hit us because I don't want to drive 4 hours for nothing. Again. Again!
I'm staring deep into your beautiful blue eyes. Oh no, that's your nose, your greasy little nose, man. Your shiny little.
For USA Nation building, Joe Biden's a bum.
Oh my god.
please tell me you got.
I'm still videoing! Oh, we have to end on that. That was beautiful.
That was funny.
It's not rain wrap though. It's the same one that's been down. It's the same one that's been down.
Okay. So the other one didn't weaken.
No,
Tell them about the twins.
okay.
So there was possibly twins, but the other one died. But the one that's been on the ground this whole time weakened a bit, but is starting to re-strengthen. Now at the time, we still have a decent amount of time to get there. Not too decent, but like it could die, but then it could re-strengthen, and it's not rain wrapped. So we might intercept the tornado.
Oh yeah, I see where Elk Grove. That'd put us on the north side of that, and if that thing occludes, we'd be
worth, basically. I mean, I say
I
we
don't
risk
ever want
it.
to be on the north side of a tornado.
He's over there suffering a mental breakdown.
I say an excitement break.
Maybe. I don't know. I still think that Kaufman is the move for right now.
Yeah, so the way to go is down south, take 148 and meet in the middle. That would be the way to go.
Google Maps, baby.
Are you wearing a UPS jacket?
Look at all the red dots are conversing on that.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about too. That says
That's
something.
not even UPS color.
Let's go.
The red dots are all there. That means we need to go there.
Yup.
Where are they going? Where are they going?
We're out, Ethan. Sorry, leaving you here.
Bumblebee, protect us!
Oh, I just got Bumblebee walk on and lightning! Woo!
Okay.
I want to cut east.
Oh, it doesn't look like it's rotating right there.
Gus, we need to cut.
Oh.
We need to cut east and go north when we get east.
Okay, like right now.
Let's go. We gotta go.
All right.
Autobots, roll out!
Subway! I guess a saloon classic.
Please! 18-wheeler, no!
It's on the ground! No!
It's on the ground?
Actually, I don't know.
Looking at a tornado right here. That's the funnel. Right there in the center of the screen.
Oh, first supercellular tornado, let's go! Yes!
Looking for adventure.
Oh, that's great. Yo! Oh my gosh! Goodness gracious! Woo! Oh, take yourself, No, it just got rain wrapped. Oh my gosh! And it's lowering! Oh Lord! Woo! First supercellular tornado! Okay.
Wow!
Got a little rope.
It's trying to form back again.
No, I don't think it's going to, but still, that's pretty cool. Well, chase is over for me because my windshield wipers broke. And of course, it's the driver's side. So, chase is over for me, but Gabe's going to be taking the rest of the videos. So, the chase will continue through him, and he agreed to let me use it in my video. So, yeah.
We are in Mount Pleasant, right? And there's currently a very wide, very tight circulation. So I'm not pulling the wedge card, but I am at the same time. This could be a wedge, and it is kind of worrying me. So what we are going to do, we are going to Naples, which we're going to kind of be in like the rainy part of the storm, but then we're also going to cut down so we're out of the path of the tornado.
Meanwhile,
Fantastic.
Eastward?
It shifted more east.
Okay, then yeah, we just have to keep going.
No, I don't like this. Will, I don't
Hey.
like this.
Breathe in and out.
No, Will.
Panicking's going to make it worse. I know, I see it.
Just stop. I say stop and turn around. I say stop and turn around now.
Show me again.
Dude, I say stop and turn around.
Oh,
Yeah, I say stop and turn around.
that is going to hit us directly.
We were gonna go right. That's cutting it close.
We probably would have made it because the road goes north a bit.
But still,
Does it go
I don't
north?
like that though.
I wonder if we might be able to see it cross up here.
You want to head back to that gas station? Maybe we can have a show.
Let's head back.
Remember, most of those gas stations
Just
are
in
made
case
for
it, just in case if it hooks this way, I say we go back. I know we're okay here.
No, you need to take these first. I'm being.
Police officers in the distance.
Okay, it's gonna go east of us.
Yikes.
I still think we should go back to that gas station.
Hey, let's just go in. Let's just go in a call so we don't get hit by lightning.
I'm gonna try to
actually probably could have made it, but we'll say this is nice. Yeah, that I think it's wind shifting. Yeah, we're fine.
That was sketchy as fuck. Even I was starting to get a little nervous. I was watching the rotation. I'm like,
I'm sorry for being so nervous.
That's fine.
It's good, I mean-
it ain't worth our lives. You know?
Yeah.
We already saw 2 today.
Dude, I can't.
That was a monster. That had to have
Look at the debris ball on it right now.
Holy shit.
Hey, wait, show.
Just past us.
Yikes.
Oh, I think. Wait, down there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's still on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you see it kind of slope up right there. That might be wedge.
Yeah, I think it is.
Holy shit. Look,
So,
you see it right there?
yeah, that's it.
Either it's low-level clouds or that's the actual tornado.
No, I think
It almost
that's
looks like a shelf cloud.
no, because earlier it was like more towards this way, and then now it's here. Okay,
That's
yeah.
just the inflow.
We should go. We should go survey damage. Oh, yikes.
I'm surprised that thing wasn't ripped apart. Considering it might have crossed ahead of us.
Look at the power line right there.
Yikes. Bye. Okay. Adios. Alrighty, back on campus. Now let's go talk to Hayden, see how he's doing.
I lied.
God, I love this planet, man.
And then I went to bed because it was 1 in the morning.